Hey guys, have you ever wondered how a simple rubber band can make a car move all by itself? Today, let's build an amazing rubber band powered mini car using simple materials available at home. For this experiment, we need 3 sticks, 4 bottle caps, rubber bands, 3 small straws, and 1 medium sized straw. First, take the medium sized straw and cut it into 3 equal parts. Then take the 3 sticks that will act as the body of our mini car. Now, make a hole at the top center of each bottle cap. Repeat the same process for all 4 bottle caps. These bottle caps will work as the wheels for our moving car. Now, arranging the structure. Attach the straw pieces as shown and arrange all the materials in their correct positions. This helps us understand the structure before assembling. Join the stick together using glue. Apply glue to one end and repeat the same process on the other ends to make the frame strong and stable. Now, fix the medium sized straw piece to one side and insert the axle with wheels attached. Just like shown, complete the cycle by attaching the wheel on the other side. Next comes the most important part, the rubber band. Attach the rubber band to the center of the stick and connect the other end to the extreme end of the frame. To make the structure stronger, add extra rubber bands at the corners of the sticks. This helps keep everything tightly connected. Now, rotate the stick in anti-clockwise direction. As you rotate it, the rubber band twists and stores energy by creating tension. Here comes the fun part. The moment you leave your hand, the stored energy gets released, making the wheels rotate. Since the car is placed on a rough surface, friction helps the wheels grip the ground and move forward on its own. Isn't it amazing how simple elasticity turns into motion? Try this experiment at home and see the physics in action. Now, let's understand the science behind this. Elasticity formula is displayed on the screen for your reference. When the rubber band is twisted, it stores elastic potential energy. As you rotate the stick, tension builds inside the rubber band. When released, the stored energy converts into rotational motion, causing the axle and wheels to spin. The rough surface provides friction, which helps the wheels grip the ground and move the car forward instead of slipping. This experiment demonstrates how elasticity can be converted into mechanical motion, just like how toy cars or winding mechanisms work.